Well, 'tis the season, finally, for yard work and landscaping, but who takes better care of their greens than golfers? As NBC 15's Max Hess explains, one golf course in Waunakee is taking a unique approach to keeping their grass healthy and safe.
With warmer weather outside, golf is one of those sports more and more people will step outside for. And here at the Meadows of 6 Mile Creek in Waunakee, I'm told this is one of the most uniquely maintained courses in the entire county. Let's take a look.
The difference is that we have gone to a biological and an organic program here. So our fertility is coming from compost.
When you think of the word organic, you don't necessarily think of a golf course. But Michael Semler tells me at Waunakee that's exactly what it is.
Here we're using the organic products. It has a connotation of being more safe than the other products.
Meaning that treating that lush green grass is close to 100% managed by organic fertilizers. No chemicals, that is.
The last 5 years is when we really started on the organics program. And in the last two, the commitment has been to be 100% organic, and the goal is 100% organic.
They're not quite at the goal, but closer than many other courses. It's a unique way to keep the green grass green. For Robin Nickel and her two kids, it's a big deal.
It's really important for me as a mom to know that they're in the safest place possible as young golfers.
Young is right. Casey at 8 and Nicole at 7, to be exact.
This place, I just know what they do, and it's advertised what they do, and that gives me some peace of mind. So for them to have the least amount of exposure is very comforting to me as a mom.
With that in mind, Robin, her two kids, and everyone else who golfs in Waunakee can practice their Tiger Perfect swing safely, naturally, and close to perfectly organic. Reporting in Waunakee, Max Hess, NBC 15 News.
6 Mile Creek Golf Course has been around for 20 years. It's on Waunakee's north side right off of State Road 113.